So radiator's back in the car. Everything's connected with the radiator. Now I'm gonna start routing the new harness, engine harness. I was also test fitting the new strut bar as well. Seems that it's gonna fit okay. I'm gonna install that properly later on, but now I'm just gonna start rerouting the new harness into the engine bay. Bought myself the live wire harness. I'm gonna start routing it right now. I was able to route the new live wire harness into the firewall and into the engine. I connected all the plugs. I also did install the fuse box back to its original place. I was debating about if I was gonna chuck it or not, but I'm just gonna leave it at its OEM place for now. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Maybe I'll change my mind later on, but that's just how I want to run it right now. Those are the wires right there. I'm still routing everything inside on the main cabin. I also did install my new shifter right there, and I'm about to put the dash and everything back on after I'm done rerouting the wires and everything. I also test fitted the headlights, and I did put some tints on the high beams. I always wanted to go for that look. And I also install a OEM air intake tube right there. And I was able to install the alternator belt back in its place. So the dashboard, it's back in the car. I still have to tuck all the harness behind the dashboard now. Start putting everything together. Also did the quarter panels, seat belts. I gotta also take care of the e-brake adjustment as well. I recently did the bleeding of the clutch brake fluid and the bleeding of the brakes. Glove box back in. Most of the wires have been already tucked. ECU is back in. Center console installed. Also been working on the back, putting the X bar on the rear side, taking care of everything here before getting to put back the rear, the front seats back in the car, steering wheel, and finish with everything on the dash and on the driver's side. This is also the first time I used one of these crossbars. I don't really have experience on how it feels. I'm pretty sure it stiffens up the car a whole lot. Once I get to drive the car again, I'll be able to do a mini review on it. Pretty much everything on the engine bay side has been done. All I need to do is put the new valve cover in, new spark plugs, new spark plug wires, oil cap, and the front strut bar as well. And I think I will be done with the engine bay side. Oh, also the cowl hood needs to be back on. So that's a little summary of the restoration process and the status update, where the build is at. If you guys have any questions, feel free to write it down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.